how to make money on Upwork with SEO services. Hey guys, welcome to this new video. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can make money from this platform. So the first thing we will need to do is to create our account. So let's click on get started. And here you create your account. Make sure to join as a freelancer. Looking for work. Click on apply as a freelancer. And here you fill the usual information, first name, last name, email, password, and so on. For me, I'm just going to log in. I've already created an account. I'm just going to continue with my email, then my password, click on login. After that, you're going to set your profile or create your profile. So this is the last step of creating your profile. So let's just start from the beginning. Let's start from the first steps. And these are the first steps here. Let's get started. And let's skip these questions for now. Skip for now. Same thing with these other questions. They're not very important. And for this box, make sure to check them all. The 3 of them. Don't forget this one. And then click on next to create a profile. And here you can import your resume from LinkedIn, or you can upload your resume if you have it in a PDF file on your desktop, or you can fill out manually. It will take less than 15 minutes. And that's what I like to do. Here, start a new profile. And proceed. The first thing is you tell them about your skill, which is SEO services. Then click on next to add your experience. And here you can add your experience in here. This is an example: software engineer, company Microsoft, London, and all of that. So make sure if you have any experience or any previous work, feel free to fill the information in here. Same thing with education as well. All of us have some education, obviously. All of us have some degree. So here you can put the school, degree, field of study, the dates attended, and the description. And then you proceed to add in the languages that you can speak. So English is a must. You can't work in this platform without English. So here let's choose conversational for my level in English. And I speak 2 more languages. There is Arabic, and my level in it is native. And I can speak also French, but I'm just a beginner in it. And here my level in it is basic. Then you add new skills. So here we have some suggested skills based on our previous answers. So here let's go with SEO strategy, Shopify SEO, local SEO, search engine optimization, which is SEO. And for the technical SEO, let's put it as well. So here you can, the maximum is 15 skills. Just take your time filling these skills. After that, write an overview. So here, write a bio to tell the world all about yourself. Help people get to know you at a glance. What work do you do best? Tell them clearly using paragraphs or bullet points. You can always edit later. Just make sure you proofread now. So this is an example of a bio. As you can see, I'm a developer, experienced in etc. And in order, guys, to avoid spending a lot of time in this bio, you can just go to ChatGPT, and it will help you make a good bio for your services. Just make sure to verify it carefully, and make sure to correct every mistake in that bio and then paste it in here, just like I'm going to do with this, with Marty's bio. So just to avoid making this video very long, then click on next to choose your categories. Let's go with digital marketing. Then click on next to set your rate. So here let's choose $5 per hour. I think that's what SEO costs. I don't know. We're going to find out later. Then click on next to add your photo and location, and just pay attention to the photo. You will need to show clients the best version of yourself. Must be an actual photo of you. Logos, clip art, group photos, and digitally altered images are not allowed, so keep that in mind. And after you finish all of the information about your profile, click on review your profile to verify all of the information that you entered. And after it's verified and everything is good, then you finish creating your profile. And then we will proceed to show you how you can improve that profile to get more clients. So the first thing we will need to do is to go back to the main page. Don't log out from your account. You don't need to do that. For me, I just want to go to the first page, which is this one. And here, go to the search bar, type your skill, which is SEO services. Then we will be able to see all of the competitors that we have working on the same skill. So here, click on enter to see all of our competitors. So what you will need to do, you will just need to check all of the successful competitors of yours, check all of their profiles, see what they are doing differently than you, and try to do the same as them. And same with the prices as well. Make sure to not give it a very high price or a very low price. Be between them and make sure you're improving your profile as well in the same time. And then in order to find work in this platform, go to find work section in here, click on find work for your skills. And here you will just need to go down to this search bar, type your skill in here, and search for the listed jobs that require that skill in particular. So that's it guys for today's video. Don't forget to like the video, subscribe to my channel, and share the video with your friends.